Hi, I'm very happy to continue the other session. Welcome to everyone. We talked about last time how this app is set up done, how you will get the notification and do an acknowledgement. We was talking about one option called visitor verify and visitor yes no. So it was before I changed it yes and clicked on save. So once it's yes, now I am going the gate. The what is change of that? So from gate, if any visitor comes to for meet with you, so it's given a number, given a name. Coming with two-person, I am choosing a tower, and now flat. Click on add. As we added, you receive the notification in your app. So one click on the yes, it will be like that. You're going to allow here, yes, allowed. See, now you can able to change out is enable, but one place out it was disabled. Why? Because now you choosing verify yes and no. So once it was no, there was no verification option. It's coming a meeting to you or not is not going to verify. But once you select the option verify yes, then it will option comes out verify also. What is the use of this? So I give you a small example here. Suppose one person one person came to gate and he given an entry ki I am going to meet with you Mr. Manish, but he given a detail about tower flat as you are we talking about, but he goes and talked about someone else and he going out at the same time. It's using your detail is a different purpose in him meeting with some other person and using your detail, but you don't know because you're not going to validating your register regularly basis, and really is not possible for anyone to do this. To making sure that the person used your address meeting with you or not, it will help you track yourself. So once the person you going to allow, then only the person can go out. I'm going to take the app view for the gatekeeper. Sir, the person is verified, but he cannot able to go out. But as the Neha, I'm choosing the other one where he have verified was no. You can click in here. He can easily go out. Security guard not going to stop. But other option when you select it as visitor verify is no or yes. Once chosen yes, it says verification out is not button is not enabled till the time you not going to verify him. I clicked on out. Yes, it went out. Okay, but he is on the way to get and now see the change. Once you verified for go out, it's verified now. Now click on that and you go out. So these are the another features with the help you can track your visitor in efficient way. No one can use your detail for any different purpose, any wrong purpose. These are the others are many features. If you have any query, please feel free to email us, WhatsApp us. We are happy to answer. Thank you.